Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is Evilgloom. The album is called Addictions. Five-piece from the town of Fukuoka on the southern tip of Japan. Evilgloom plays a heavy, trappy style of nu metal with leonine, harsh vocals and a proclivity for pogoing around in hoodies. Addictions is their first full length, offering 9 songs that mainly mill about the 3+ minute range, packing in a maximum processed riffing and violent percussion in each song. Vocalist Demi runs the full gamut with a Japanese English blend of witchy rasps and guttural woofs, even sneaking in some clean vocals when mom stops paying attention. It's harsh stuff, headphone heady, with all manner of bleeps, blips, and hip hop flavored loops rushing at us from all directions at once. It's hard to conceive where all this darkness and anger is coming from, seeing as none of them look older than my favorite pair of motorcycle boots.
Despite the harshness, there are tracks on this thing that will get your ass shaking, like the hooky industrial groover interlude. Demi burbling rapid fire against synth swips and a stick club ready beat. Buster Call grooves just as hard, conjuring synthwave corrupted guitar and an expert blend of the heavy organic drums and programming from drummer U. The final track, Addictions, is one of the longer cuts on the record, scratching into Linkin Park territory just a smidge, cycling through pounding riffs 1 minute and introspective, clean, and female vocals the next.
It's a fascinating combination of genre surfing, steady hooks, and visceral aggression. Looking forward to great things in the future from this exciting new band. So let's play a song.
This is Buster Call.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.